Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to automatically remove titles from your library in the Audible app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu, where we have some suggestions and a little bit of overview of the app. From here we just go into the profile menu, which actually opens up like this. So this is your profile. From here we just go into the top right corner, tap on settings. And in settings, we go into data and storage. Then we scroll down, and here we have auto remove. We can turn this on, and what this does is that after you have completed a title, so let's say you listen to Jordan Peterson's 12 Rules to a Life. After you have completed the title, it will automatically remove it from your device. So you can download the title, listen to it, and then after you have finished it, it's going to delete it from your device, and it won't take up any space afterwards. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.